Wacky Ricky, Episode 34, Fishing with Dad.
What a beautiful morning! Look at the sunrise.
Wow! That's amazing!
Do you have your fishing poles?
We have them, Dad.
Do fish eat worms, Dad?
Yes, fish love worms, Rachel.
Ew, Dad!
Get a worm, Ricky. Put it on the hook.
I don't need worms, Dad. I'm using marshmallows.
Ricky, fish don't eat marshmallows.
Mine is ready.
Okay, Ricky. Hold your fishing pole like this. Swing the hook into the water.
Dad, I've got a bite.
Good for you. Pull it in.
It's too big. Ugh. It's too heavy.
Hold on tight, Ricky!
Oh, seaweed.